get to crocheting.
All right, let's get started. Let's take our yarn, making a loop, inserting our needle, and we now have the yarn on our hook. We're going to start off by chaining 6. Yarn over, pull through. 1, yarn over, 2, yarn over, 3, yarn over, 4, yarn over, 5, yarn over, 6. 6 chains. Now we're going to take these 6 chains and we're going to form a circle. So, taking our yarn, I'm going to take this needle, make sure you can see, and I'm going to insert it into the first loop. Yarn over and pull through the loops. I have now formed a circle. So, let me bring over one that I've done. I'm now going to work on creating these 3 clusters. That is actually going to become my first row. So, I'm going to chain up 1, 2, 3. I now have the height that I need for my first row. Now I'm going to do 2 double crochets in my circle. 3 is on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, putting my hook inside of the circle, pulling up. I have 3 on my hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. That is my first cluster. Now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. Now I'm going to do 3 double crochets. Yarn over, straight into my circle. So 1, 2, 3. And 2 single chains. And now I'm doing another double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Pull up some more yarn. All right. I'm going to chain 2 again. 1, 2. And now I'm going to do another cluster of crochets. 3 to be exact. 3 double crochets. So yarn over, inside the circle, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, inside the circle, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. And then I'm going to chain 1, chain 2, and now I'm going to connect this to the top of my starter cluster. So my first row is complete. And my tail, it's right here, and I'm just actually going to go ahead and snip this off. All right, let's go ahead and chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. So now I've started the height of my double crochet. Now I'm going to do 2 more double crochets right here in this space. Yarn over into this space, this chain space, 4 is on the hook, pull through 2, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Now, I need to double crochet, we need to do 2 chains. 1, 2. Now, we're going to go over to this side. Yarn over, and we're going to do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now, to make a corner, I'm going to do another set of 3 double crochets in the same spot. But what I'm going to do is I am going to put 2 chains in between there. So let's chain 1, 2. Now another cluster of 3 double crochets. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Doing this created a corner. Do we see how that happened? All right, let's chain 2, 1, 2, and let's go into this spot with 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Remember, we need to make a corner, so we're going to do 1, 2. 3 more in this same spot. 1, 2, 3. And we formed another corner. 2 chains, 1, 2, and now we're going into, I want to make sure you see, we're going into this corner with how many double crochets? 3. Yarn over, and that's 1 double crochet, 2 more. We're at a corner, so you need to chain 1, 2. Yarn over, and you're going to do 3 more double crochets. 2, 3. Chain 1, 2. Does everybody hear my angel? She must have heard something. All right, we're going to go ahead and double crochet into this corner. And now we're going to chain 2. 1, 2. And this was the start of this corner. So now, with these 2 chains, all we have to do is connect it. And our second row is complete. Now, let's do another row together. You ready? Let's begin. To start another row, you're going to chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 2 double crochets in this chain space. Yarn over and 2 double crochets. All right. Chain 2 times, 2 chains, double crochet into this space. 2 more. Now, we're not at a corner, so you're going to do 2 chains. And then we're going to double crochet here. Because we're at a corner, you're going to go ahead and chain 2, 1, 2, and then do 3 more double crochets in this space. And we formed a corner. Let's chain 2, 1, 2. Double crochet in this space. And we're doing 3. All right, we're not at the corner. This is the corner. So we're going to chain 2 and move on. In this space, which is the corner, we're going to do 2 sets of 3 double crochets. So yarn over, double crochet, three times. That's our first set. Chain 2, 1, 2, and then 3 more double crochets in the same spot. Doing this again creates our corner. Yarn, nope, not a yarn. We're going to chain 1, 2. All right, double crochet in this space. How many? 3. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, 1, 2. Now we're going to go into the corner. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2, 1, 2. 3 more double crochets in the same space because we are forming a corner. Chain 2. And now we're going to go into this space. With 2 more. Now 1 more double crochet. Chain 2. And now we're getting to the end. So we're going to do 3 clusters of our double crochet. All right, chain 2, and we're going to slip stitch at the top. Okay, what we have is 1 row, 2 rows, and 3. We're going to continue crocheting until we get to 8 rows. Again, you're going to continue the pattern of chaining up 3 times when you start a row. So chaining up 1, 2, 3. When you start a row, you chain up 3, you do 2 more crochets, and then you're going to chain 2. And now, in the chain space, you're going to do 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Now, you got to move over to your next chain space. In between 2 chains, yarn over, and we're going to put 3 double crochets in this space. Two chains. Now, we're at the corner. What do we do at a corner? We do 3 double crochets, 2 chains, and 3 more double crochets in this same space. And let me show you. Yarn over, and we have 1, 2, 3. 2 more chains. And now we're going to do 3 more double crochets in this same space to create a corner. There's my corner. Now I'm going to do 2 chains and double crochet in the next space until I get all the way around. Once I do that, I will have my finished product of 8 rows. Well, everyone, that's all I have for you today. But before I dismiss class, let's review. Today, we took chaining and double crochet and we combined them together to create a granny square. But not just any granny square, we created a giant granny square. Now, if you enjoyed today's lesson, please make sure that you hit the like button. And if you know anybody who you think would enjoy learning how to make a granny square, please share this video. And to stay in the know of everything that we do here on Turtle Creativity, make sure that you hit the bell. And I'll see you in the next one. Happy crocheting, everyone.